Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and then let's find the section password and security. Then let's go to system security and here let's scroll in order to find credential storage. Let's tap on it. At the bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got this information. What is more, this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.